Hello all office executives, I'm back again with another Excel video, and in this particular problem set scenario I'll be guiding you on whether the user will be giving some value in a particular cell, and based on that value the Excel will return whether that record is a unique record or is it a duplicate record. So I'll be using the function equal to COUNTIF. So it will be counting, but it won't count in general. It would count only if there is a criteria. So what is the range in which it will be counting? It will be counting within the range a colon a. So a colon a means the whole of the a column in which the names are being present. And what is the criteria? The criteria is something, the name which I will be feeding into Excel in the cell E3, and if it is greater than 1, then it's true, false or true. So true and false, it basically this particular value which Excel is returning to the user, it's basically meaningless to the user. So I'll be making some meaningful result, meaningful output out of it. So I'll be masking it inside an if function. So if this particular function is greater than 1, then what I'll be giving is that duplicate found. And if it is not the use case scenario, then unique record. Simply as simple as that, unique record. Yeah. So let me give in here Sohel, duplicate found. So Sohel, now if I give something like Alok, unique record. So that's all for this short video tutorial. So before ending the video, let me again guide you what I did in this particular video, the function. So I'm using a COUNTIF function and I'm counting within the name range, and if that name range and the value which I'm providing in this particular cell E3, if in this particular cell the value is greater than 1, then duplicate found, and if it is not the case scenario, then unique record. In this way you can easily find out that whether the record which you have inserted, whether it is a duplicate entry or not. So that's all for this short video tutorial. Thank you all guys, happy coding, and let me know in the comment section if you have failed in issues while doing the practical. That's all guys, thank you guys, and happy coding.